We are continuing with Chapter 9, Boxes and Sketches. In the previous video of this chapter, you learned the meaning of the term geometrical nets. You also learned how to draw the nets of a cube and a cuboid. Today, we are moving a step ahead by learning to draw the nets of some more solid shapes. And we begin with the net of a triangular prism. I have this triangular prism in my hand, everyone. Why do we call it a triangular prism? Because the base of this shape is a triangle. Now you might be thinking, what is a base? Base is the shape on which a solid rests. So that is why it is called a triangular prism. Let's have a look at its faces. Its three faces, face 1, face 2 and face 3, they are equal rectangles. And it has got two more faces, and these faces are equal triangles. This is face 4 and this is face 5. So while drawing the net of a triangular prism, we will have to keep in mind that it should have three equal rectangles as its faces, and beside these rectangular faces we need to have two more triangular faces. Have you all understood? Now everyone, please have a look at the board. What did I do to draw this net? I have first drawn a square. You can draw a rectangle also. But remember to divide this square or a rectangle into three equal rectangles. Clear, everyone? And beside one of the rectangular face, remember to draw two equilateral triangles. Now what are equilateral triangles? The triangles whose all three sides are equal. Now let me show you. I also have the net of a triangular prism. Now just observe, everyone. First I made a rectangle. Then I divided the rectangle into three equal rectangles like this. And beside this rectangular face I have drawn two equilateral triangles. Now these are the lines at which the faces are going to fold. Now let me show you. This is how I fold the rectangular faces. Now I also fold the triangular face, everybody. Now what do you observe? What do we get? We get a triangular prism from the net of this solid shape. I hope this is clear to everybody. Students, now we are learning how to draw the net of a cone. I have this cone with me, everyone. What do you observe? It has got two faces. The first one is the curved face, and the base, that means the second face, is circular in shape. Now have a look at the board, everyone. While drawing the net of a cone, I had first drawn a complete circle, and from that circle I have taken the major sector. Now what is a sector? A sector is a part of a circle. When this part is more than half of the circle, we call it major sector. When the part is less than half of a circle, we call it minor sector. So I have taken the major sector of a circle, and under it I have drawn a circle. When we are going to fold these two faces, we are going to get a closed conical box. Now observe the second net. This net is also going to fold into a closed conical box. Now this is the minor sector of the circle, and again under this minor sector I have drawn a small complete circle. Now let me show you one of the nets of a cone. This is what I have, everybody. Here also we have the minor sector of a circle, and under the minor sector I have this one complete small circle. What do? I join the two radii like this, and when I join the two radii, what do I get? I get an open cone. When I fold the second face, that means the circular face, I get a closed conical box. Children, next we learn to draw the net of a cylinder. Now I have this solid shaped cylinder with me. Just observe, it has got this one curved face and there are two circular faces. Clear, everyone? Now just have a look at the board. The nets or cutouts of a cylinder can be drawn in either of these ways. Just observe the first one. I have first drawn a square, and beside the square I have drawn two equal circles. You can also draw the net in this manner. I have drawn a rectangle, and beside this rectangle I have drawn two equal squares. Isn't it easy? So when we are going to fold these nets, they will fold into a cylinder. Let me show you one net which I have. This is the net of a cylinder. I fold this net into a cylindrical pipe like this. Now I put the circular faces. Now what do I get? I get a cylinder, everyone. What is this? This is the solid shaped cylinder. Students, now we learn how to draw the net of a triangular pyramid. See, what do I have for you? This is a triangular pyramid. You might be thinking it would have got its name because of this triangular shape. No, my dear students. It is called a triangular pyramid because of the shape of its base. Just have a look. The shape of the base of this pyramid is an equilateral triangle. And that is why we call it a triangular pyramid. In a pyramid, these faces are always triangular, but it will get its name from the shape of its base. Have you all understood? Now, let's count the number of faces. In a triangular pyramid, there are 4 faces. One is the base. The other faces will depend on the number of sides of the base. This base has got 3 sides, so there will be 3 more faces other than the base. So 1 plus 3 makes it 4, everyone. Have you all understood? Now have a look at the board, children. This is the net of a triangular prism. The base of this triangular prism is an equilateral triangle, and the other 3 faces are also equilateral triangles. Clear? Now have a look at the second net. The base again is an equilateral triangle, but the other 3 faces, they are isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are those triangles in which 2 sides are equal. So these 2 sides are equal in these triangles. And when we are going to fold these nets, they will fold into a triangular pyramid. Just have a look. I have got this net of a triangular pyramid. This is the base, and the other 3 faces are also equilateral triangles. So when I fold these faces, What am I going to get, my dear students? We are going to get a triangular pyramid. Have you all understood? Shall we move to the next solid shape now? Students, let's learn how to draw a square pyramid. Just have a look. This is a square pyramid. It got this name because of its base. The base is square in shape. And the number of other faces will be how many? A square has got 4 sides. So these triangles will be 4 in number, everyone. So 4 plus 1 makes it 5 faces. So the net of a square pyramid will have 5 faces. The base will be a square and the other 4 will be 4 equal triangles. Just have a look at the first net. The base is square in shape and these are the 4 equilateral triangles. In the second one, the base again is a square, but the 4 triangular faces, they are equal isosceles triangles. So beta, this is how we draw the nets of solid shapes. To have a clear idea, you need to know the number of faces,